How to download and install Blender, a free and powerful 3D creation suite. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial is on how to download Blender, the powerful 3D creation software. It's available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So first of all, head to the official website. It's recommended to download Blender directly from the official website, which is blender.org/download. Blender will automatically detect the version of your operating system and click on the blue button right here. To download the installer, you gotta click on the appropriate download button based on your system and chosen version. And now we gotta wait for the download. After it's finished, we're going to the downloads file and we're going to launch the installer file from there. After the download is complete, we gotta head to Files and go to Downloads. After that, click on Programs, unless you change the download directory to another place on your PC. And now we gotta find the installer for Blender, and here it is. You gotta double click on it and follow the prompts and click on Install. And the installation process will be complete in a few minutes. After that, you can launch Blender directly from your desktop. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.